Boom! You finished Module 1. It's good to know that. Okay, so we promised to bring you some Igbo adage and some Igbo songs. For the end of this volume 1, we will introduce an Igbo adage. And I also want to implore you, while you learn these Igbo classes, please have a pen and a paper. Most preferably a pen and a notebook, a thick covered book, a book that doesn't get torn easily, especially the front cover. Okay, use it and note down whatever you have learned. While you're writing it down, do you know what happens? In your memory, your brain records it a second time. So when you hear it, the first recording is made in your brain. When you speak it, the second recording is made in your brain. When you now write it, the third one is made. So when you write it and you speak it fluently, it sticks. So you've got to make sure you have writing materials while you're watching these videos, okay? If you did not get writing materials before now, please go get one. Okay, so our Igbo adage for now is this: Okoro anaghị aka onye kọrọ ya ogologo. Now let me show you what I mean. This is an okra plant. You know okra? That's fruit you get and you slice it. We used to cook okra soup. We used to cook ogbono soup. It draws and all that. That's okra. Now when you plant an okra, okay, the seeds are planted. When it starts to grow, it grows really tall. And when it starts flowering, as you can see the flower there, when it starts flowering, it means the fruits are beginning to come out for you to pluck and make your okra soup. So most of the times, it grows so tall, it could outgrow the person that planted it. And now for you to pluck the okra, you just bend it down, bend it and pick the fruits and walk away. So what it actually implies is it's a piece of knowledge fed to you. Okay, it's trying to let you know that whatever you grow into tomorrow, do not disregard your roots. Do not disregard your parents, the people that bred you, your mentors. Do not disregard them, no matter what you grow up to be tomorrow. There are people that planted you. There are people that made it possible for the seed to sprout, for you to sprout and blossom. So in Igbo land, this is an adage and it means something very deep. So in as much as you're going to grow up tomorrow to become something you decide you want to be as successful as we all want you to be, we are also imploring you to remember your roots. To remember that no matter how grown you've been, somebody took it as a responsibility to ensure that you sprout and grow properly. Do not forget your roots. That is the meaning of this Igbo adage. Okro anaghị etokarị ya onye kọrọ ya. Now let's take it one after the other. Okro anaghị etokarị ya onye kọrọ ya. Okro anaghị etokarị onye kọrọ ya. Okay, so I'll leave you to go with this and we'll see you in the Zoom meeting. Until then, remain excited. Bye.